Hello, my dear students. Today we will start with Mathematics 1, continuation of 4th chapter, Financial Planning 4.3. So, before I start, this exercise it is based on this shareholder stock exchange, face value, market value, and all that. Before there is something given about shares. Now, share is smallest unit of the capital. Capital means amount required to start a company. Shareholder means person who owns the share. It is known as shareholder. Stock exchange where buying and selling of share take place. Famous it is Bombay Stock Exchange. Face value means what? The value printed on the share certificate is called face value. And market value, the price at which the shares are sold or purchased in the stock, it is known as market value. Now dividend. So dividend means what? The part of annual profit of a company which is distributed among shareholders. It is known as dividend. Now you all can see the comparison of face value and market value. If the market value is greater than face value, the share is at premium. And if the market value and face value are same, the share is at par, means neither profit nor loss. In the first, it is profit. In the third, if market value is less than the face value, the share is at discount, means loss. And rate of return means you all can see when we invest in shares, it is important to know the rate of investment. So sum number 1, you can see the table. Face value is 100 rupees, share is at par, means equal. Face value and market value will be equal. So market value is rupees 100. Over here you all can see premium rupees 500 and market value is rupees 575. So the face value will be 75, means it's a profit. When the face value is 10 and market value is 5, means the shares are at discount of rupees 5. So sum number 2nd, Mr. Amol purchased 50 shares of face value 100 rupees 100 when the market value of the share was rupees 80. Company had given 20% dividend. Find the rate of investment, rate of return on investment. Now you all can see the face value of share is rupees 100. So dividend per share 20% of 100 is 20 upon 100 into 100, means 20 rupees. So on 50 dividend on 50 shares, you will multiply 50 shares into 20 rupees will give you 1000. And the market value of share is rupees 80. So the total investment will be these 50 shares into market value, means 4000. So the rate of return formula is what? Total dividend received upon total investment into 100. So total dividend received is rupees 1000 upon total investment is 4000 into 100. So this 30 will get cancelled. For 1s are, for 2s are, for 5s are, 25% is the answer. Sum number 3, Joseph purchased the following shares. Find his total investment. So he invested in company A, B and C. In A, 200 shares, face value 2 rupees, premium is 18. In B, 45 shares, market value is 500. In C, 1 share of rupees, market value is 10,540. Now, in company A, premium is 18 rupees and face value is 2. So the market value will add this, face value plus premium. So 2 plus 18 will give you 20. So total investment in company A, number of shares into market value. So number of shares is 200 and market value is 20, so 4000. Same way in company B, number of share is 45, market value is 500. So we'll multiply this, we'll get 22,500. Same way in company C, number of share is 1, market value is 10,540. So 10,540 into 1 will give you 10,540. So the total investment is what? We'll add company investment, that is A, B and C. That is 4,000 plus 22,500 plus 10,540 will give you 37,040 rupees. Sum number 5. Shri Shantilal has purchased 150 shares of face value rupees 100 for market value of rupees 120. Company had paid dividend at 7%. Find the rate of return on his investment. Now the face value of share is rupees 100 and dividend on one share 7% of 100, 7 upon 100 into 100 will give you 7. So dividend on 150 share, 150 into 7 will give you 1050 and market value is 120. So total investment is what? 150 shares into 120 market value will give you 18,000. So the rate of return is what? Total dividend received upon total investment into 100. Total dividend is what? 1050 upon 18,000 into 100. 10 will get cancelled, 2020 will get cancelled. So 105 divided by 18 will give you 5.83 rate of return. Sum number 6. If the face value of both the share is same, then which investment out of the following is more profitable? Company A, dividend 16%, market value is rupees 80. Company B, dividend 20%, market value is rupees 120. So I prepared the chart over here, you all can see. Okay, suppose the company amount invested in both the company is 9,600. 9,600 means what? 80 into 120 means the market value. This is A and B. 80 into 120 will give you 9,600. So the amount invested in both the companies same. And market value is what? 80 and 120. So number of shares purchased is what? Amount invested upon market value. So will give you 120 and 80. Dividend 16%, 20%. Face value is same, 10 rupees, 10 rupees. So dividend per shares 16% of rupees 20 will give you 1.6, and same way 20% of 10 will give you 2 rupees. So the dividend on shares 120 into 1.6 will give you 192, and 80 into 2 will give you 160. So company A give more amount of dividend than company B. So investment in A is more profitable. Thank you. With that, 4.3 has been completed.